Hey there, Glowforge friends. I am back with another instant Inkscape tutorial. You'll notice I've got Inkscape loaded and it's got that template that I see every time but I really don't like, and I've been showing you how to switch templates, but today I'm going to show you how to make the template we want be the default automatically. So first things first, I used this tutorial and I'll put a link to it to actually get to the location where my templates go. I'm using a Windows PC, so I simply copy this and I will put this in the description of the video, and then I go to Windows Explorer and up in the top box I just click and do Control V to paste, and it takes me to where my templates are. If you have not done this step, I'll have a link up here in the corner so you can go to it. You need to pick whether you like imperial or metric. I like metric, so I'm going to simply do copy here, and then I'm going to change the copy to be named default. Make sure you spell it correctly. I'm going to close that window. I'm going to minimize this. Now when I double click Inkscape, bam, it automatically starts with the template that I want instead of that other one that was always annoying. So friends, I hope you found that useful. If you did, please hit the like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, make sure you add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit notifications if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.